Will you accept this rose?
Hi everyone, it's Sarah, and today I'm introducing a brand new series here on SoCraftastic. What do you think it is? Okay. AKA the Nostalgia Crafts series. So to start out, I'm gonna go through this container, which has some crafts from 15 years ago, 2010. Not everything is quite that old, but I think most of them are from a decade at least-ish. This is going to be quite the throwback. In this episode, I'm gonna focus on just the duct tape items in here, so we'll have multiple episodes. And don't think this series is just about me showing crafts. I also wanna do crafts in different videos, such as making a duct tape wallet again, and rainbow loom bracelets, which some of you may know that I am now working with rainbow loom, and that is so exciting. I think it's a perfect time to do this nostalgia type content because rainbow loom was one of the biggest turning points for my channel, and it's how so many people came to discover me aside from duct tape. So I think those are the two biggest ones, with polymer clay coming in the top 3 as well. If there is a craft that I used to do a long time ago that really, I don't know, changed your life, impacted you, encouraged you, inspired you, let me know in the comment section below what you want to see. Do you want to see me make some of the old crafts I used to? Do you want to see me put a new spin on them? I have so many ideas, but I also am open to suggestions because I want to start posting more videos. I want to channel the essence of my old self a little bit more, and what I mean by that is kind of going more slow again, if that makes sense. So instead of trying to really wow with all these effects and, you know, spending so much time on the editing, I want to just focus more on sharing things again. By the way, this is Phoenix. Say hi, buddy. You're my big buddy. I completely lost my train of thought with this cute kitty interruption. So without further ado, let's open this container and have some memories together. Thanks for that. You want to reminisce about the good times? You weren't even born yet. I've been looking for my original duct tape wallet from 15 years ago, and I think I found it. I'm not quite sure. This one down in the very corner looks like it could be the OG. So I'm gonna get into this container and see. I didn't mean to rhyme. It smells like duct tape. Here we have a duct tape gift box. This is really cute. I cannot remember if I learned how to make this from someone or if I just had the idea to use a normal box pattern for paper and turn it into duct tape. I made a couple of them. Whoa, this one is not looking too great. Did I never put it together fully? Oh, I had Scotch tape on the inside. Interesting. I don't know what's going on here, but this is all smashed. I really like these duct tape patterns though. Speaking of different patterns of duct tape, I also have an idea to share my entire duct tape collection because I have over 100 rolls, but maybe close to 200. So if you're interested in seeing that, give this video a thumbs up, let me know in the comments. And I also discovered that there are still more new patterns coming out, and I'm probably gonna do a haul from Walmart at some point. I might just do that on Facebook, but if you do wanna see it here, let me know that as well. What's next? Duct tape cuff bracelet.
Hey, stud.
This one's a studded cuff. So I seriously, one by one, poked these little studs into the bracelet. Wow. And then I have Velcro, still works, and let's see, and it still fits me really well. It's a little tight. The original duct tape bling, apparently. Oh, then I have this black one, which does not have Velcro. I don't think I can get this over my knuckles, so I think that you have to undo it every time. Okay, come on, come on. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Next, what should, oh no, I just broke it. Hold on, I think I can fix it, maybe? I don't remember how to do my own tutorial. It came unraveled. Okay, there's supposed to be a twist. All right, I fixed it, kind of. These, oh, shoo, it came undone again. Darn it! Here are the duct tape gift bows. This is probably one of my favorite duct tape projects ever. They don't look quite as nice now that they're a little bit flattened, but these are super pretty to use for presents, and they're not really that hard to make. I didn't think so anyway. What else duct tapey do we have in here? Oh, this goes with the cuffs as well. Cool. That's right, I made a bow. And I'm probably not gonna be able to put this one on myself because it's hard to hook. But this one I actually put chain and jump rings, and then we have the bow, of course. Look at that. Moving on to, what else? Oh, okay. These are cool, but this is probably one of my least favorite projects that I've ever done. Sorry if it's any of your favorite, but I did these duct tape pinwheels and they looked nice when I made them, but obviously over the years they have experienced some wear and tear. They're supposed to spin. But oh, this one. Muse, that's unnecessary. It kind of still spins. Ready? No. These are really cool though. Despite the lack of spinach currently, I used paper straws for these and I used a pencil for this one. I made 5 of them. Whoa, I really went all out with this video. That probably didn't take that long.
Spin, little pinwheel, spin. Whoa.
Yay, Fab 5. Oh, look, another pinwheel. This one's really sparkly. I guess they were supposed to be the Sassy 6, but someone didn't show up. And I guess we can include these no-sew juice pouch coin pouches. I used to sew purses out of juice pouches. If you're interested in seeing those, let me know. I have a ton of them and I could actually sell them. There's so many, I'm not even kidding. I mean, over a dozen, but still it's a lot. And I have so many empty juice pouches that I haven't used yet. So we could probably get back into doing stuff like this over the next couple years. Oh, here's the one that I did sew. I have a lot of these left, I think, too. Kool-Aid jammers and duct tape. One of the best duos ever. What else do we have? This one was always a favorite of mine. Duct tape flowers. More so duct tape roses, but some of them don't really look extremely rose-like. I think I perfected it as I went on. This one's probably the best, I think. Let me know which one you think the best is. These are all pens, so I covered the outside of the pen, of course, with green duct tape, made some leaves, and well, I did the leaves after I did the flower bud, but these are really cool and they're practical. Imagine giving a dozen of these to someone that you really love for their birthday, Valentine's Day, any time really. That would be super cute. Look how pretty. I don't know what was going on here. Oh, I do. I didn't finish it. The next duct tape thing is another unfinished thing. My battery died and I actually went on to film a bunch of different things with my vlog camera instead. So what I was about to say, I was getting into these, I believe. Here we have a bunch of duct tape wallet shells. And I don't know why I decided to do so many lime green ones. It looks like there's, oh no. Never mind. So there's 2 lime green. This one looks like I was making a trifold that's almost done. I have 1 black shell, 2 purples, 2 lime greens, 2 hot pinks, 2 of the teal, 1 baroque, 1 zebra, 2 leopard prints, and then, is that another trifold maybe? A few people on Facebook were asking if I could maybe sell duct tape wallets in my shop. There were some people who were a little bit put off by the fact that the things that I sell in my shop currently, which if you don't know, I do have a shop, so here's some shameless self-promo. These are all items I designed, I drew, but I do, full disclosure, have them outsourced. I don't print the things myself, I hire someone else to print them for me. Almost everything is printed here in the United States. However, washi tape and enamel pins have to be printed and manufactured in China because we really don't have the factories for that here. So it's all outsourced from my knowledge. I couldn't find any in the United States. I work with a middleman who is in the United States, but then they're like, oh yeah, this gets sent to the factory, so we'll talk to them. So you know what? I tried, but I feel like if there are any enamel pin manufacturers here, they're probably extremely pricey. Anyway, I feel like it would be kind of cool to try to challenge myself to finish these at some point, but I think it would be kind of fun to show the process on camera of one of them. Actually, I'm thinking I would create an entire wallet from my tutorial. The title would probably be trying to make a duct tape wallet 15 years later, something like that. Give me catchy title ideas. This was supposed to be another duct tape pinwheel, no way. Oh no. I wonder if the one at the bottom is actually a trifold. Hi Phoenix. And not my original. I'm gonna be sad. Wait, there's a card in here. What if it's money? It's a Cold Stone gift card. There's $10.52 left on it. All right. I wonder if it expires after a certain amount of time. I don't know. I'll have to check. Honestly, I might have used it. I'll have to call the number and see. I really did like this trifold duct tape wallet as well. This must have been another box component. I feel like these went together. Oh yeah, so this was one of the boxes, light blue and this pretty kaleidoscope pattern. And then this other one was supposed to be the bluey indigo triangles and this light purple, the pastel. What else do we have here duct tapey? The duct tape pencil pouches. These are the ones with the Ziploc closure. I was so excited when I learned how to make these. Outside is patterned and then the inside I did two different colors, lime green and orange, to match the outside. And then this one is this pattern, which I think is a different brand. It's not Duck brand. And then again, a duo colored inside, purple and teal. Nice. Another duct tape cuff. This one is silver with some big studs. And then we have this kind of sad looking gold bow. It's just a little crumbly, but I think this was supposed to be another chain bow cuff bracelet. Another rose at the bottom peeking out. This, oh my gosh, is that Leo's hair? I don't know for sure, but this might be Leo's hair. It's like this little curly hair. Aww. And this one's mine. I haven't opened this box in so long, so I wouldn't be surprised if Leo's hairs are somewhere in the duct tape. Another bow cuff. This one has Velcro. We gotta put this, oh, and a random heart bead. Put this one on this wrist. And come on. Come on, come on. Why did I make these so tight? My wrists didn't grow. They're the same exact size. So I just like to wear things tight, apparently. Here we have this. I guess we can dive down into this corner. Oh, these are the duct tape half wallets. And no way. What in the world? Why did I make so many pinwheels? There's this pink and silver pattern with purple on the back. And then a green, almost Girl Scout looking one with gold on the back. Oh wait, these are the duct tape coin pouches, and then this is the half wallet. So the half wallet is pretty cool because it has this little pocket here. It has a main pocket, and then it has these little card pockets, but obviously it doesn't open or close or anything. It's just this. And of course I put a bow on mine. Speaking of bows, I have these duct tape coin pouches, which I mentioned. And these, do they have? Oh yeah, they do. They all have the Ziploc, so I'm not gonna try to open all of them. This one is denim duct tape, and I think this one had the bow because it's pretty plain, I'm not sure. Then we have the zigzag with white trim. And I got pretty creative with these ones. Here is a Zentangle doodle that I did and then I covered with clear packing tape, black border, and then the back I tried to do stripes. That doesn't look so great. They're a little messy. They're really messy. They're kind of ugly, but I commend my past self for trying, but I bet that I really wasn't trying that hard. This is really cool. I did a bunch of triangles to kind of look like a shooting star almost. And then there's a star and a bunch of little glitters over here. Twinkles, sprinkles maybe. So that's a cool design that I did. And this one I like too. This is hot pink with denim and it has a bow and I glued some rhinestones, probably with E6000 glue. And the stripes on this one look a lot better, but Still not wonderful. Yeah, girl, I should have used the X-Acto knife. Like what was I doing? Oh, that's right. I made duct tape pencil pouches with zippers. It's been forever and a day since the last duct tape tutorial. Oh, you could not hear over that. So these are the real deal. I mean, these are nice, the Ziploc ones, but the zipper, oh my gosh. And I really love these patterns. This is kind of a mermaidy one. And I think this is another brand of duct tape as well that isn't the Duck brand. So I have a pink zipper on this one. And it still works. Then I have pastel purple on the inside. And then this really pretty teal and brown and white pattern. It almost looks Aztec-y, I guess. This one I did a little bit differently, so the sides have a little bit of room to expand. This one just has white on the inside and a blue zipper. All right. This is not good. This is not what I was expecting. I thought I had found my original bifold, but we have the trifold instead. So the hunt continues. I feel like maybe it's out in the garage with my juice pouch purses. I don't know. I have my really old business card in here. Oh, and this plastic really sucks. It's so thin. If I'm going to be selling these wallets, if anyone wants them, I really need to figure out which type of plastic to use that's more thick and durable, because I can't be selling stuff with this, whatever this is. It feels like a sandwich bag. No promises on when I'll be able to make these because I have a lot of upcoming videos and obligations already. So, you know, like I mentioned, I kind of want to focus more on video making than shop stuff, but I have so many things from old polymer clay charms, maybe some old soap and jewelry. Tons of stuff that I could part with because I have so many of them. I'm not gonna part with my originals. I can't do that yet. Like I don't want to. I think maybe at some point I have this idea that maybe I'll make a craft book where I kind of photograph everything and show all the projects in a book. I don't know if I'll ever do that. I just kind of want to hold on to my originals for a little longer, or maybe forever, who knows. Is that all of the duct tape stuff? Oh no, there's one more thing. I think it's only one more. Oh my gosh, I actually missed another one. In this box, oops, in this box, the duct tape feather jewelry. Another memory unlocked. I completely forgot about these. Ooh. I actually really like this. Cool, I have some extra chain I can use too. It looks like I only made one earring and I was going to maybe make the other one. Are these matching? I have no idea. Double colored one. This is cool. These were so fun. These are the duct tape beads. And if you're familiar with making paper beads where you cut a strip and then you roll it and you put a bunch of glue and then you keep rolling it and they make actual beads. I feel like I made a bracelet out of these at one point. Oh, one fell. I don't know where that is in my jewelry collection, but these are just the beads. So yeah, that was a fun video I almost forgot about. All these memories. So out of all these duct tape crafts, and maybe some others that are not featured, I probably have some others around. Let me know which one is your ultimate favorite, maybe your top 3. Make sure that I didn't miss any. Oh, it's a little butterfly. Just a bow with a little butterfly body. That's pretty cute. For the rest of these items, I don't know if it's going to be just one video or 2. We'll see how much is left. So I'll figure that out next time. But for today, thank you so much for watching. Check out all of my videos in the description box below. I'll put a playlist to all my duct tape crafts and just all my throwbacks, and stay tuned for my upcoming series of nostalgia here on SoCraftastic, and I'll do some other things as well. I'm really excited and I hope you are too. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of the day and I'll see you soon. Bye. What's wrong? Hold on. You just punched me. There you you go.